nature, and humans. At Valentis, we work as one. In the chaos, we found structure. From the dusk, we shape land. We're more than just a company. We're a movement, blending science with nature. Behind the shine of technology, it's people who make the real difference. Those who bring their talent, skills, and dedication every day. Some perfect their craft over decades. Others spark the future with fresh ideas. Years help us grow. Go deep into nature wide. Now we create rivers and mountains. We craft cosmos and stars and spread all around the globe. Built on history, driven by innovation, and powered by the people.